Okay, hi, this is a video on how you hold a pencil properly. Alright, first things first, when you are teaching a child how to hold a pencil, it really helps to have something like the Ticonderoga Tri-Rite. This happens to be my favorite pencil for teaching a child how to hold a pencil because it is actually triangular shaped. I don't know if you can see that it's a triangular shape. So there's a couple of things we want to do with a child first. Let me see if I can get the camera going. There we go. We want to have them put two fingers together like this and make sure they can bend the joints. I think bending the joints is the most important piece. Then make sure they can bend the thumb joint by itself. Then put those two fingers together and then make sure that the hand is making sort of a backward C, and then they can pull forward and backward. And so you can see what's happening is when we slide this triangular pencil in, it's going to fit right in between those. And notice the action of the thumb. A lot of children that have a hard time holding their pencil will not activate their thumb properly. And so the pencil will be very stiff and very rigid because they won't activate that thumb and hold it in place. So once we have a pencil held in place, what we do after this, I'm going to put this down so that you can see, is try to slide the pencil, and I just dropped the pencil. Oh! You take the pencil like this, okay? And we hold our fingers going back and forth like this, and we slide the pencil in backwards with the triangle, splitting the fingers apart so that the pencil is in the right place. Now if the pencil's in the right place, it should be sliding back and forth in the web. Once they've got the fingers on each side properly, then you can turn it around and they have one finger on each side, and the range of motion comes from the fingers, not from the hand. The hand will tire, and a lot of kids will hold it like this, and like this, and like that, and some of them will hold it like this. There's different ways, but what will happen is all of those things will impede the range of motion. So you want to position the fingers just properly and make sure the child can slide it back in this web right here. The pencil should be positioned in the web as they're making little circles. When you begin to teach them how to write, you start with a long line and a circle, and that's it. And use quad paper like you use scientific paper to just draw little tiny circles in the boxes, making sure that they can touch each line. And notice the thumb, notice the activation of the thumb. Okay? So that's how you hold a pencil properly. And you want them to really work on those little circles for a while before they do letter writing. Okay? So you can see how it is. And that is how you should be holding a pencil properly. And the triangular pencils really help with this.